I'm so happy. It's literally gorgeous. So this summer I'm gonna be making some videos and I'm super excited. Super duper excited. God damn. Oh. Okay, I didn't mean to start it, but I'm in the car right now. I'm sitting in a park. It is 6:22 and I'm not going home for dinner. This is my little snack until I go home at like, I don't know, like around 8 for dinner. So I'm honestly gonna talk about it. Like, I think, okay, I love my family, I love my mom, I love my brother. I, however, do not love my stepdad, who is no longer my stepdad, but apparently still comes over for dinner sometimes. So today is one of those times, and since he's coming over for dinner, I am not. Let's normalize prioritizing your mental health and leaving if you need to leave. And I needed to leave. So right now I'm at the park, and I need to find a trail because there's like a really cute waterfall somewhere, and I have to find where it is, which it's not like here where I am, it's somewhere down there. So that's why I'm looking over there. I came semi-prepared. I have bug spray, I have water, the ice is now melted. Oh, I got lost coming here. I did a whole detour through another park that I couldn't figure out how to get out of, and I went through like a sketchy neighborhood, and some douchebag was riding my butt, my ass, and I was like, bro, I'm lost. Give me a break. So yeah. Looks great. We're gonna explore, and maybe my friend will join me. We're gonna make the best of this. And I've actually been wanting to come here, I just never really had a reason. So here we are. Okay, I've got my snack and I'm gonna find somewhere to eat it. There's a surprising amount of people here. It's crazy. I'm so bad at this. I was right. I found the path. It's kind of janky though. Wish me luck. Now to the prettier one. Gross one. Not gross one. I know that there was a man over there earlier, and I don't know if he's gone yet, so we're gonna chill for a minute. It's kind of like really fucking hot out. My water is in the car because I don't have any pockets. So, prepared. Had to leave. Not because I got kicked out, because a man came, and did not feel safe. I don't have a bag, so I'm literally carrying my car keys and my camera. My friend is on her way. I'm hoping that my mom texts me when he leaves. I don't just have to guess. So yeah, I've just been chilling on this park bench for like half an hour.
Explain your life. How'd you get here?
I drove. Open up.
Maybe it was cool. I don't know. It sucked.
We're going to Dairy Queen.
Say.